Here is the Amazon Fire TV Stick and Fire TV Stick 4K. What's the difference? And which is the best for you? Let's find out. Both Fire TV sticks come with very similar components, except the new 4K stick Alexa voice remote, which is much improved with a volume control, a mute button and a power on button. The new 4K Fire Stick is also slightly bigger than the old one, as it now packs in a lightning fast 4K processor and new antenna design. Now, connecting the Fire Stick is quite straightforward. You just push it into your HDMI socket and like that. You might find that it's a bit tricky if there's not enough recess to fit it in. So this is where you can use the HDMI extender and you just plug it in like that, and then you can plug this in. Alright. And then what you need to do then is just connect the power cable like that, and then you can hang it down like that. To enjoy 4K streaming content on your TV, you need to bear in mind that you will need to have a 4K ready TV, an internet connection of at least 15 megabytes per second, which fortunately most people can get these days, and 4K media content to watch. Also, if you subscribe to a movie app like Netflix, you will need to select their more expensive plan. Now, using the 4K Fire TV Stick Alexa remote, you can switch the TV on using the on-off button. And then we can go to the Amazon homepage by pressing the home button here. And now we can use the circular control button to scroll down and browse through the apps. There's quite a few apps here: Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, recent videos, iPlayer, and you can scroll down for more: Prime Amazon, rent or buy, Prime deals. Now also you can search using voice commands, so using this button here, this microphone button. So I can search for the latest 4K movies if I want, so let's try that. Find 4K movies. And there you go, there's a good selection of 4K movies for me. Now, if we've got a particular movie that we're interested in, we can also search for the movie by the movie title. So let's try that. Find Jumanji movie. There you go, so that's Jumanji. That's quite a good movie actually. There's a few variations on that. Now we can also search for information such as the latest news or weather. So let's try that. Weather for Birmingham.
In Birmingham, England, it's 5 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today.
There you go. And then we can return to the Amazon homepage using this return button. So here's the volume controls. And you can fast forward as well, using the fast forward controls, or pause the movie. Or in this case, I'm watching Blue Planet. And you can also search, you can also fast forward using the voice control. So let's try that. Fast forward 20 minutes. And there you go, so it's actually fast forward 20 minutes. So to summarise, both Fire TV sticks integrate very well with Alexa and allow you to use voice commands to control content on your TV. But the 4K Fire TV stick, with its support for 4K picture quality, HDR and Dolby Vision, and the new volume and power controls, is in my opinion well worth the extra price tag. It's also backwards compatible with a standard TV, so you can always future-proof yourself by buying it in case you decide to buy a 4K ready TV in the future. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if you like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe for more tech reviews to come. I'll look forward to seeing you next time.